everyone, welcome to Plant and Body by Design. My name is Mario and the person behind the camera is my friend Bobby.
Hello everybody.
I'll be talking about the different types of plant species, where they originated from, and also how they survive in different types of environment. Of course, physical fitness is also very important and how it affects our mind, body, and soul. And the one thing I'm excited to talk about are these plants over here. They call philodendrons or belong to the Araceae or arum family. And this is called Monstera deliciosa.
Monstera deliciosa?
Monstera deliciosa.
Okay.
And if you see the leaves, guys, this is a 2-year-old plant right now. And if you see this one is a baby and it's still starting to split their leaves.
Oh, so this is premature and this is mature.
Yes, this is a
Okay.
2-year-old and this is a 1-year-old.
Ah, so once this is blooming, once it turns into adult mature, then it'll have
The
these
leaves
splits.
will split.
That is
Yes.
interesting.
Yes.
That is
okay. And this is one of the trending plant right now. And as a matter of fact, there are other plants that belongs to the same family. One is the Monstera variegata albo borsigiana. It's a variegated Monstera, and it's very expensive right now, and it's very rare. And most of the plant collectors wants to have them. And the other one is the Monstera Thigh Constellation. As a matter of fact, I'm excited to show to you guys that I just purchased that one, and I have that one right now. I will show it to you. This is the baby Monstera Thigh Constellation. If you could see the leaves, guys, it has that white variegation on it. And this is just a baby. By the time, probably by 2 years' time, it will be the same, the one that I showed you, the Monstera deliciosa over there. And it will be like that eventually.
So, and this is right
That's
here.
a 2-year-old plant.
It's a 2-year-old plant.
Yes.
And then this one right here is
That is like a 1-year-old plant.
1-year-old plant.
Yes.
Okay. Let's pull this out really quick. So it's really nice.
Yes.
Okay, and this is the how many weeks again?
This is the 1-year
Oh, 1 year. Okay.
1-year-old plant of the Monstera deliciosa.
So deliciosa. It sounds like there is a Latin vibe to the name deliciosa. Where is that originated from? Is that like these plants?
These plants basically originated from South America, and they're also abundant in different Southeast Asian countries also. And you can find them also in Hawaii. As a matter of fact, they can be called as invasive because they go up on the trees. That's where they live over there in the forest floor.
It's beautiful. I see the texture, and it's shiny. It feels really smooth.
I believe the reason why they call Monstera is because they will become a monster plant. They will become huge.
Like how are we looking at that 2 feet wide, 3 feet wide?
No, it will actually go up on the trees.
Oh, it'll
Yes.
just bloom up and climb up the trees?
Yes,
or?
they climb out on the
Wow.
trees, and also they will bloom. They will blossom. As a matter of fact, the fruits will become. They are edible. They can be eaten.
The fruits?
Yes, they are edible.
This
Yes.
blossoms with fruits.
Yes, they will provide fruits.
What's the name of the fruits?
Well, it's a Monstera fruit.
Oh, Monstera fruits.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. 'Cause I had no clue. I didn't know what Monstera was. I didn't know it was a fruit.
So
That is fascinating.
yeah, And probably they call it as deliciosa because it's delicious.
Oh,
Yeah.
that makes more sense.
Because they're edible.
Yeah, in Spanish, in Latin,
Yeah.
deliciosa.
Yeah, deliciosa.
Delicioso.
Yes.
Like, yeah.
Delicious.
That's perfect, yeah.
That's correct.
In Philippines, masarap.
Yes. And also, I will show you also one of the Aracea family called the Alocaceous.
Alocaceous.
Yes. Or they call it elephant ears because they are like the elephant ears.
Okay. Wow.
Okay.
So does it have a trunk, elephant trunk, just elephant ears?
Just elephant ears.
Okay.
Yes. And in some of my segments, I will show you a discovery I found on this. And I live here in the cold climate, but they survived and they came back to life. So one of the segments I'll show you to you.
Perfect. So it looked like it was dead.
Yes.
But then when you took care of it, it just blossomed.
During summertime, it came back to life.
Wow,
So
okay.
I'll feature some of those segments to you.
Perfect.
Okay.
And what do we have next here?
Okay. Another thing is another family of the Aracea family are the photos.
Photos?
This is photos marble, and this is photos golden.
Can you raise that up? I want to see a little higher.
Okay.
And
This is golden photos, and this is marble photos.
interesting. So these two you're holding are
In the same family.
The same family of these.
Aracea
Okay,
family.
Aracea family,
But
okay.
they are photos. Okay. Another thing is the Brazil photos.
Brazil photos.
Brazil photos, and also another one is the they call it Hawaii photos.
Hawaii.
Hawaii photos.
So it's like the names of different locations in the world.
Yes, that's correct. Anyway, I brought this down in a hanging area, and this is also kind of photos, but this is not a real photos. Actually, this is Syndaptus. Syndapsus.
Syndapsus.
Yes, Syndapsus. And look at the leaves, guys. They're beautiful, isn't it? And they're almost the same as these photos over here, but they are more rounded. And look at the variegation, the veins of it. And these
take a look
are
at it really-
Syndapsus.
Okay, let me take a look at the leaves on this.
And they are
Yeah,
beautiful.
you can see the veins.
And they are beautiful, good for hanging plants. And it's a good interior decoration.
You say this is the same, or
Yeah,
is
that's
it different
also
species?
photos. Yeah, photos
okay.
marble. It's marble. Look how the
Yeah, it's like a marble.
leaves are. Yes.
Next.
Another kind of philodendron is this Philodendron Birkin. And if you look at the variegation, guys, this is also trending from last year.
So when you say trending, what exactly do you mean in terms of plants?
Trending means it's really a rare plant that most of the plant collectors are trying to have.
Oh, okay.
So it's a new introduction, and all the plant collectors out there would like to have one of them.
I see. Wow.
Okay? And that's the same family of the Philodendron family. Okay. And then one of the trending plant right now are the they call this the snake plant.
Snake plant?
Or yes, snake plant, or they call it Sansevieria. And there are different types of leaves of this one. There's a tall one, and there's a dwarf form also.
I wonder where they came up with the name snake.
Because if you look at the leaves, guys, they look like a snake. The skin, the skin of a snake.
Oh,
yeah.
look at that. Look
Yes.
at the texture.
Yes, look at the texture.
Ooh.
And they are beautiful in decorating some, interiors, something like that. Maybe your real estate. because they're easy to grow, they're easy to take care, and they don't need that much water.
Well, if I ever see these type of plants out there, I think I'd
Yes.
stay away from, because you could pretty much guarantee the snake will be camouflaged.
Oh no. All right. Hey, I forgot to tell you guys there's another photos over here called jade.
This is jade.
Yes, jade.
That's the name of the plant.
It's photos, but it's a different kind of variegation. Look at that.
So when you keep saying photos. What
Photos,
is
yeah.
that? What do you mean by
Photos
photos?
is a different kind of plant, as the same as related to the
I
Araceae
see.
family.
Okay, that's the terminology.
But
photos,
yeah,
I see.
but they are the same kinds over here. These are photos.
Okay.
But photos in many forms, because you can distinguish by their variegation of the leaves. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Another trending
What
also.
is this? Excuse me. What is this beautiful? This is pretty beautiful. This is nice right here. What is this?
Okay.
That's pretty design. Did you do this yourself?
Yeah, this is just from cuttings from the Scindapsus.
Oh, okay.
Look at the Scindapsus. This is just a cutting, and I put in water so I could reproduce them by cuttings.
So you arranged this yourself?
No, I did. I
Oh,
just
wow.
put in water. It's
Okay.
easy. And
Nice.
also, this also a lemon photos also from cuttings also. So I'm trying to propagate them by cuttings.
One of the things Mario is very good at is the flower arrangement. He's got that talent, and he goes to local schools and gives the arrangement as a charity. They're very appreciative of that. So what is this one?
So this is some arrangement that I made, and I mix it with asparagus fern and also peperonia and photos, different kinds.
Okay, beautiful.
Yes.
So you made that arrangement?
Yes, I did.
Wow. Very
Okay.
nice. Very nice.
Another trending right now are called the wandering Jews. And the wandering Jews, one of them is this purple
It's purple.
color.
Wandering
Yes.
juice.
Yeah.
Why? What? Let's. Can you show me this one area in your place that you have a lot of collections?
Oh, okay. Yeah. One of the plants that I love most are
Look at this, everyone.
orchids.
I want to show you this. I got a quick tour of this area of the house. Mario has collection, and very impressive.
and they are Phalaenopsis orchids, and they are a very good house plants, easy to grow, and sometimes they flower, sometimes twice a year.
Wow.
And the flowers last so long. That's why I like them. Those are my favorites.
These are your favorites?
Yes, because these flowers right now, they're probably 4 to 5 months old now.
These flowers?
Yes,
Okay.
the flowers are 4 to 5 months old now.
You made all these arrangements. You put them all in the base,
You
huh?
just put in a vase,
Wow. okay.
next to a window. That's where they prefer most. So
How much water? How often do you water these?
I don't water that much. What I do is water them and then let it dry completely, and then water it again afterwards.
Because I'm not very good.
Okay.
For everyone, just FYI, I don't know anything
Yeah.
about plants, and when I do get plants, they usually die after 3 days.
So, as a matter of fact, they belong also to the Epiphytes family. It comes from the Greek word orchidaceae, that means air plants.
And
Okay.
look at this. There's more collections right here. Wow, look at how beautiful they are. Okay. And here's a room. What is all this here?
This is the.
Ah! What is that?
There's a spider over
Is that
there.
a real spider?
Yes, that's a real spider, and I like spider because if you got some aphids or any insects
Wow.
over here, bugs, they will eat the bugs, or
So
or the
you're s-
aphids.
So you're saying you
I
put,
brought
you
I-
brought the spider in here.
I brought the spider over here because they are helpers. They help me
Oh.
take care of the aphids,
So they eat the little
They
whatever
take care
bugs
of,
and
yeah,
and,
they take
and
care
that
of,
comes.
yeah, they take care of the aphids.
That is, so you don't have any other spiders. And part of the fitness, I guess, right here. This is where you work out, huh?
Yes, this is an area where I do fitness because I would like to maintain that good health and longevity.
Longevity. Okay.
So I'm here an Abyssinian banana. So
Abyssinian banana.
Abyssinian
Does it produce banana also?
yeah, it's a different kind of banana.
Wow.
Normally they are just for, it's an ornamental banana.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So that's the leaf for it. Huh?
Yeah, that's the leaf of that. Hey Bobit, let's go eat.
Oh, sige.
Let's chow.
All right. I know it smells so good.
Well,
I mean, Craig, what do you have here? Simple
okay.
stuff.
I got a broiled pusit, and then we have rice.
Okay.
We
This is
have
homemade rice.
Yeah,
Whoa,
homemade
Filipino
rice.
style.
And then I have sinigang style.
This is sinigang.
It's sinigang salmon.
Do you have the mix? I want to see.
Yeah.
Check
The
that.
yard-long beans, and then I have the eggplant, and it has the okra also.
Okay.
Yes.
Sounds good to me. We'll go taste it.
Let us chow now. Hello friends and family. I know there's a lot of information to take, but I'm going to give you a lot of more information in depth next time. And we are also going to visit some of the garden centers. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.